Good morning, guys. Stayed up way too late last night editing, but that's why we have coffee. Now that I got my coffee, it's time to edit. Hey guys, it's Emily! Ready to go pick apples?
Sure.
Alright.
Can we eat lunch first?
Yes, let's definitely pick up lunch. Oh my gosh. Okay. Need to adjust this guy. Okay. Yummy! So unhealthy, but so delicious.
Oh, hello.
Well, we had come here for the You Pick apples, and they opened up last weekend. It was the first Saturday that they were open, but they just announced that the You Pick is closed. So we're gonna go check out the cidery and their store and just check out things while we're here. Oh my gosh, there are apples all over the ground.
So many people that they ran. Oh, look at it.
Hello, puppies. So, how old is this tree?
Over 100 years old. Look, rings.
And it's just right here. You're not counting right there. It's over 100 years old. And look how perfectly it's outgrown. That's really old. It's a survivor. So this farm was planted in the 1930s. And this is now 2020, which means some of these trees are in their 80s or so. Okay, maybe wearing sandals was not the smartest idea.
This was your idea.
Yeah, this was my idea to come check it out, but yet I didn't wear the proper shoes. Maybe I should have worn tennis shoes or my hiking boots instead of sandals.
Careful.
Yeah. The beehives. You look so country right now. delicious. So we stopped really quick in Ramona. There's something I've been wanting to see for a while. I've seen it for years. Finally stopping to go check it out. There's books in there. Look. One day I'll make it to England and I'll get to see the one that's out there. But until then, all of my adventures are here on Earth. All right.
Bye, guys.
Love you.
Love you too.
See you soon.
Yeah. See you again.
I'm home now, so I'm gonna get ready for a friend of mine's birthday dinner. So I'm gonna get ready real quick and then go ahead and get going. Nice. Look who's here with me. It's Michelle again. So we're gonna go ahead and go to our good friend's birthday dinner downtown. Looking forward to wishing her a wonderful, happy birthday. How's your lobster, Mac? We just had the most incredible dinner celebrating Adriana's birthday, and took some video footage. I'm gonna send to her later, and I'm just so proud to know her. She's such a sweetheart. She has grown so much, and we love her so much. Love you. Hey guys, so it has been a wonderfully full day. I just finished editing yesterday's vlog and posted it up after we got back from Adriana's birthday. So got some wonderful comments from people that I'm going to put together this compilation of what people have said for her, and then I'm going to be sending that directly to Adriana as a birthday present. And Adriana, if you are watching,
We all love you very much. So everybody, subscribe and leave a like on this video for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.